I'm so excited to see how it looks in the next few days. Like, is it going to get more voluminous and keep the short length? Or is it going to get longer? Like, are the curls going to drop? Or is it going to get voluminous and longer? So, it got bigger and longer.
That's what she said.
Hey beauties, it's Viviana and today it's wash day and we have to let the style go. So this right here is my cotton bud curls.
Child, apparently the whole time I've been saying cotton buds, my American audience have been looking at me like I'm crazy. Apparently they only know it as Q-tip, and in the UK they only know it as cotton bud because they don't have the brand Q-tip. And here in the Caribbean we just flip-flopping between the two names. Honey, we've been having a whole conversation over on the community tab. Turn your notifications on.
So I'm now on day 10 of this hairstyle. Yes, day 10. I mean, other than the fact that my hair looks a little bit dry right now, like honestly though, seriously, it's still popping. However, if you watch the original video and saw a glimpse into my daily life, I do work out a lot. I'm not like super fitness fit or anything, but I work out and I sweat. You know, you see where I'm going with this? My scalp needs to clean. So as much as I share the same sentiment with you guys that after 5 days, well, yeah, 5 days of work, 6 days for the hair to be completely set and dry, we'd have both hoped that I got to wear the hairstyle for an entire month, but no. From the first little workouts I did after doing the hairstyle, the first curls to go were the back of my neck. The back of my neck. That's a very Jamaican thing to say. The back of my neck. Guys, let me tell you. I'm pissed at myself. Like, I could just kick myself right now. Seriously. I know I was the one that brought up doing an update in the last video, but there were a few of you guys in the comment section that were saying that you would actually want to see a progression of the days. Why didn't I think of that? So you know, I could have a picture of like day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 to day 10, and hindsight is a hell of a thing. But I do have pictures from day 2 of doing the hairstyle, because that's when I decided to do a little photo shoot. Yes, after putting in all that work, had to be a little extra. Just a little bit. And as you can see, the curls are just a little bit longer than they were on day 1. Just a little bit. At that point, I was very careful not to touch my hair. I didn't do any workout or anything. I was very careful. I even wore a shower cap. And if you're a regular hair, you know, I'm terrible at that. But after doing that little photo shoot, I was back on my regular workout routine, and it was just downhill from there. Yeah, these back curls around here from day 3, gone. And then next to go were my no. Along with these back curls, the roots were gone. So that is how the style started to get a little more voluminous, and it was kind of awkward at first because the back was gone, the curls were gone for the back, but the top curls were still tight, so it was almost like a mullet. I'm really pissed I didn't take pictures. So I kind of looked like I had a mullet, So that is how I started to wear my hair in this little style here. So what I did is to push the front back and pin it, and then just wore the hair out like this. So it kind of gave it like, it kind of made it blend in a little more. Yeah. Then by day 4, where are these front curls? Girl, gone. Absolutely gone. And still standing strong are the center curls. Seriously, if I could figure out a way to have these center curls stand alone, I'd have pushed another 2 days.
Girl, you feel how your head has scratched you?
No, my head needs to wash. By the way, I felt so good to see you guys comment and show you appreciation for the new little editing style I've included. Yeah.
Why are you just so awkward taking compliments?
I really appreciate it. But there was a section of the video where the audio went out.
As you can see, this is how much I have left.
There's only so much a girl can do, okay? And then technology just screws you over sometimes. So here is what I was saying.
And I'm really starting to panic now because I have an appointment tomorrow for wedding dress try on. And I might have to postpone that because I'm really not sure I can finish this today. I'm gonna try, but I'm really not sure it's possible. So I bought the extra Q-tips.
Don't worry, I got to reschedule the appointment and I went like a few days ago. Ooh, I think I took a little picture. I can probably zoom in and show you how my hair looked at that appointment.
And this was day 3 of the hairstyle.
Well, that's pretty much it. That's the full update. That really was the end of the video, but you can stay a little longer if you want. So it is now January 29, 6:35 a.m. and this is still the cotton bud curls.
So I finished the style on January 16 and it's now January 29. That's 14 days. 14 entire days of really nice girls. I don't know about you, but that sounds like a decent return on my 6-day investment.
What had happened was, after filming that update video, I decided might as well I just work on the editing right away. And in working on the editing, I didn't have time to actually work on my hair. So since I finished editing and I was going to actually wash my hair now, I figured why not film the detangling section, and yeah, somebody might appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. So yeah, I'm going to just stick this on to the end of the video. Call it bonus footage.
Hold up. Why the water smell so?
This was alcohol. This is the water. I have it in the same bottle. It's labeled, but I just grabbed a bottle a while ago and put alcohol in my hair.
So to get started, we're going to be using water to get our hair entirely wet, just to get the curls to loosen up on their own a little more. Then I'm going to be using one of my favorite deep conditioners with a lot of slip, and we're being very generous to the amount of conditioner we're using. We want to get it all throughout every single hair strand. So I'm taking my time, applying a lot of deep conditioner and a lot of water and finger detangling my hair. Then when I reach to a point where my fingers are smoothly going through my hair, that's when I use my wide tooth comb to thoroughly detangle the section. So overall, detangling my hair wasn't so bad. I mean, it wasn't as if this detangling session was any worse than my other detangling sessions. I'm detangling my hair. It's never fun. However, I did notice that the back of my hair was a little more tangled than the rest of my head. I guess that's understandable because that's the hair actually rubbing up on the back of my neck, causing a lot more tangles. So with a little bit of patience, a lot of product, and gentle fingers, my hair was eventually detangled with minimal breakage. That wasn't so bad.
So, for the upcoming videos in my Anything But Curlers series, I'll be sure to take pictures of the days following the hairstyle, installing the hairstyle, and the progress pictures. So for the more popular ones. So, yes, giving me a thumbs up, leaving a comment, all helps towards my channel, because when you thumbs up and you comment and you share the video, it actually tells YouTube that this is a good video, so they should actually recommend it to a wider audience. So yeah, even though you share the video and it's just with 1 or 2 friends, it tells YouTube that, oh, other people might actually want to watch the video. So yeah, them share it to like more people. So yeah. Anyway, beauties, I really hope you enjoyed this update. I know, just a simple little, yeah. You asked for it and I delivered, alright? If this is your first time on my channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, I wouldn't subscribe from this video either. I have a lot more exciting videos on my channel. I'll leave them up in the iCards so you can go watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then, I mean, after like the 2nd or the 3rd video, you should realize by then that you actually like my content and hopefully you decide to subscribe. Okay, beauties, thanks again for watching. Later! Mwah. I'm stuck with you, stuck with you, stuck with you. Can I tell you that song has been stuck in my head?